before. Today, in our writing session, we're going to be learning to identify expanded noun phrases. So we're going to identify expanded noun phrases because this will allow us to use them in our own writing. We're going to use a template to identify the features, and we're going to be using our knowledge that we've already used within our own writing lessons so far. So, can you describe each of these nouns using an expanded noun phrase? So a noun is an object, place, thing, or idea. So in these cases, our nouns are a car, a rabbit, a cake, and a castle. So what an expanded noun phrase is a noun phrase. Now remember, a phrase is just a group of words. So a car, that's 2 words, that's a phrase. The car, 2 words, that's a phrase. Car is a word, the is a word. So when we use an expanded noun phrase, then we add an adjective into a phrase already. So if I was going to look at this car, I could say the car, but if I wanted to add an adjective, I might say the blue car. Now my phrase, my group of words, has an adjective in them describing a noun, which makes it an expanded noun phrase. So take a look at these nouns: the car, the rabbit, the cake, and the castle. Pause the video and see if you can come up with your own expanded noun phrases. Well done. Let's take a look at some examples. So we could have the muddy blue car. We could have the cute fluffy rabbit. We could have the delicious squidgy cake. And we could have an overgrown, enchanted castle. So, draw a picture and ask a friend to write an expanded noun phrase to describe it. You could do this with a parent or carer as well. Pause the video and have a go. Well done. Did they guess what it was? Could they come up with their own expanded noun phrase to describe it? Now let's build on our knowledge. So, below, in orange, are adjectives. So these are words which describe nouns. Can you choose from the adjectives below to complete the expanded noun phrases in these sentences? So these sentences, let's take a look at the first one. A sentence is any group of words with a capital letter, a full stop, a subject, and a verb. So let's take a look at this first one. The something children ate the something sandwiches. Now if we didn't have any adjectives, that sentence would still make sense. The children ate the sandwiches. That works. But what we need to do is choose which of these adjectives make the most sense for this sentence. So if I was going to look through, I might say, well, if the children are eating the sandwiches, that would mean, oh, well, they're hungry. So the hungry children ate the clever sandwiches, shiny sandwiches, long sandwiches, could be. Oh, delicious, that works really well. So I'm going to click that. Perfect. Can you pause the video and see if you can identify the correct adjectives for the rest of the sentences. Well done. Let's see what expanded noun phrases you completed. Let's take a look at some examples. So we could say the shiny red car drove down the winding road. We could say the terrifying dinosaur roared loudly. My clever teacher taught me how to spell. The hot cookies had come straight out of the oven. And after a long, tiring day, I couldn't wait to sink into my soft, cozy bed. So, your activity today looks like this. So it says, read the following sentences. Underline or circle the expanded noun phrase in each sentence. So you can copy out the sentences and then underline the expanded noun phrase. So that's going to be the part that has a noun and an adjective. Let's take a look at this first example together. The brightly coloured parrot flew through the canopy. Okay, so I can see already I've got two nouns there. I've got a parrot and I've got the canopy, which means the top of a forest. So the brightly coloured parrot flew through the canopy. The canopy is just a phrase, but the adjective brightly coloured tells me more about the parrot. It describes the parrot. So my expanded noun phrase, the one that I would actually underline in the end, would be brightly coloured parrot. So you're looking for the noun that has been described by an adjective or more than one adjective. Best of luck, Year 4. Don't forget to send a picture of a Class Dojo, and I really look forward to seeing your work.